Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to continue my project of data science on Bayes cross price prediction of data science. If you guys doesn't watch the first part of it, make sure that you rewatch first watch it through my icons or my previous suggested video so that you doesn't miss the data pre-processing and EDA part. In this part we will going to continue the half remaining part of the EDA, and then we will go to our next model building and model execution part, and then we will going to wipe it out. DF, then we have taken the cleaner part of it as here in that manner, then we have started here in that manner, then we have started the price in. First of all, we have taken the demo group by, we have grouped by it by make segment, price USD, mean, reset index, then we have sorted by price USD and in the ascending order by head 10. Okay, then we have taken the bar plot of it as make segment for the y-axis, then y-axis price US price part, then data as demo DF, and you make segment and the various legend false and top segment by price, then title as this, then we have taken the car segment and price in USD part. Okay, like right here you can see the different type as of car segment as Russian, Eastern European, luxury ones, or different types. Like right here, let's see the how it was done. The analysis provides insight into the average price of different car segment. The data is grouped by make segment and sorted to display the top 10 car segment with the highest average price. Key observations, as we have seen, the 6 segment is the most expensive ones. Right here we can see its price in the USD. Then follow closer the one as one. Wait a second, where is one? Yes, 7. Then the lowest average price of among the top 10 as at 2679. Then the price range is quite wide, spanning from 2679 to 10,690. There is a decline in prices across the other segment with mid there. Okay, then we have taken the visualization and insights, and in conclusion we can say that segment 6 and 1 likely represent the luxury ones, then lower price as 5 corresponding to the budget friendly and entry ones. Then further analysis could be done to explore the factors including price and brand reputation and feature and different type of stuff. Then we have taken the linear graph of it right here. Okay, like its price has, like 1 has 2 is the most, then 0 is least, and then this. Let's see what they were actually are. Okay, 0 for the mileage as it was, then one with dark pink one was with damage part, and for parts black line. Okay, then let's see how it was done. Cars prices has increases over time with a sharp rise from 2000. Like right here you can see its price had been starting to increase by the 2000 year, like crazy. And it has also so the market crash. Cars in better condition with mileage has the highest price as seen in the black light condition 2, damaged car condition 1, so fluctuating price especially after 2007, sorry 5, is significant mortality, and cars sold for parts as condition 0 and have the lowest price staying below the throughout the years, and the price gap between different conditions widens over time, indicating an increasing preference for well-maintained vehicles. Okay, in prediction we can see that, like right here you can easily read it for yourself, as I will going to give you in the Git repository. Okay, then we have taken the price part, price and transmission of manual and automated part. 0 will be as 0, which is the blue one, as the blue line, and orange as automated part. In this data we can see after 1980 it has dropped significantly, the highest at the price, then as its trend was lower down, and from the automated part it has been started as a low, and slowly it has started to show the peak from the 2000s and get at the 2015 at its peak, and then get normal. Okay, okay. So from the key observations part we can say the manual translation has the higher prices compared to automated pass across all over years. Like we can see both both one show the high sharp increase after the 2000, peaking around 2025 and 20, right? We have then the price between have widened over the time, then the automatic crash had a smoother price trend, indicating the steadier demand and pricing stability exhibit more, whereas the manual exhibit the more price fluctuations. Okay, in considering market demand in early years. Then the higher price of cars suggests they might be associated with high performance or luxury models. A rise in the automatic cars prices aligns with increased market preferences, and then that and the rise in fuel part. Wait a second, let me see how much left. Okay. Now let's start with the faster. Okay, then we have taken the fuel part, rise to fuel part. We have the automated, likely petrol and diesel. There is a no little gap around their prices, that much, like we have seen in the before automated and manual part. Both of them have increased significantly after 2000, and then so the peak around 2012, 12 something, 10 to 15. Okay, so right here we can see the generally price compared to ink higher petrols, then both have the steady price increase after 2000, then diesel so the smoother trend, steady demand and pricing pattern and demand. Petrol cars have first more fluctuations in the time of early and after 2015. Right here you can see as the trends of electric cars are started to come in the market at that moment, suggesting the higher, and then the higher price of petrol cars suggests there must be the premium or performing car, diesel car for fuel, better fuel efficiency and long-term cost saving, having steadier price trends, and the rise in both suggest the increase demand and technology could be due to, and sharp fluctuation can be due to in the petrols as changing fuel policy, electrical vehicle adoption and performance model demand. Like we can say from the conclusion we can say petrols one higher luxury, representing the luxury or performance vehicles category. Diesel show the stable and gradual existing constant demand, and the widening the gap after the post 2005, and premium petrol cars are becoming more expensive, whereas the diesel one maintaining the affordability. Okay, then we have taken the price of the cars and drive unit. Right here 0 as front, 1 as rear, then all, then part time, and okay. Let's go to our basically, as I have lacking the time. Video, it is already get too much. First, front wheel drive are the lowest ride throughout the year, indicating its presence in affordable and economic class ones. rare vehicles was more expensive than them and still lower than the all-wheel drives or four-wheel drives, suggesting is used in performance and standards. And then we have taken the all wheels as and part-time four wheels ones as highest, indicating their association with premium SUVs and off-road vehicles and luxury cars. Then after the 2000, all types of saw a sharp rise in price, especially AWD and four-wheeler ones. And the right here, the most fluctuation part has been seen among them. And then interpretation of front front ones, the affordable, fuel efficient and suitable for urban driving. Lower price ones, rear one is performance oriented, moderately high. And then the cars normal like luxury and premium vehicle, leading to higher cost. And then after growing popularity of SUVs and off-road capable cars had increases significantly, and the sharp decline in four-wheel part-time vans around the 2000 year, like 2000, where it is. Okay, so FWD remains the most affordable part, then the mid-range, then premium ones. Then we have taken the price and brand state segment right here. Just read them part. Like we can see the light wing as this way, and then mainstream, Russian, American, other four as light purple, and facility and Asian. Overall trend we can see from the given data as all segment. So the increased price over time. Then the luxury, specialty and American cars see the sharp increase after 2010, as Asian brand have grown significantly since 2005. And then the possible trend, inflation and rising manufacturing cost of through raw materials and various stuff, technology advancements, impact of global crisis on prices and rise of Asian ones. Okay, so let's go to our model test and the models part as fast as we can, and then we will going to execute it for the last time. And as we have taken the target drop, then this, then this, and taken the X split trace. Okay, then we have go to our model training part, as we have taken the modules as this. Okay, random and search ones. Then we have taken the params of it as messed up as 4, 6, 8, minimum split, minimum sample leaf and max feature and random, and then we have defined the random part and the one, and then we have taken the evaluations part of it, as we have taken the R2 mean square and mean absolute from the matrices, then we have computed it, and then we have printed the evaluations parts of the first of them. Then we have taken the feature importance, then feed it in the data format as X test column as sorted indices and feed importance as sorted indices, and taken the data in the feature importance formats. Okay, so right now let's run the main file of it so we can end this video. Okay, so guys, we can get to see the output of it, as we have got the correlation matrix part of that heat map, in which we can see the of the current data set. Okay, then we will remove it. Okay, then it has started to do the data set parts. Training module, right here from we can see, as it has given us the feature importance part. Years by years, its importance of cars has increased, its transmission has increased like that of mileage, then the transmission, then the mileage, then volume and drive unit and fuel type, make segment and color, and then at least colors. Okay, then as we have taken the normal part, the decision tree module, so right here we can see it has ended with the parameters as this, then the R2 score of 75%, which is okay, as that data is very versatile and complex, then the mean square error as 55, and then the absolute as 16, then 23, and module accuracy as 75.76%. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy it. See ya.